Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Primark haul. So today I have quite a few things from Primark, including clothes, makeup, just bits and bobs, shoes, a little bit of everything to be honest from Primark. I don't tend to shop in Primark that often because there isn't one very close to me. Well, it's close, but it's not extremely close. So I don't tend to go there that often, but when I do like to pick up a few things because the prices are so amazing and I do actually like their products. So yeah, it's kind of like a try on haul today because I will be showing you some of the clothing items that I have. And I've also got a bunch of makeup and other stuff as well to show you. So I have one big bag like this and another smaller bag as well like this to get through. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so first up I picked up some pajamas. So I picked up this pajama top. The sizes are so weird in Primark. So I'm usually like an 8 to 10, maybe a 10 in most clothing, but I'm certainly not this size. This is a 6 to 8. I'm certainly not a 6 to 8, but in Primark I am in pajamas for some weird reason. But yeah, I just got this pajama top. It's just got this like crochet kind of thing at the top and on the pocket. And to match, I picked up these like pajama bottoms things. So the top was £3 and the bottoms were £5. So yeah, in Primark you can just mix and match the sets. And in the bottoms I got the size 6 to 8 as well. So yeah. So I picked up those are really nice and they're so soft and comfy as well. I then picked up like matching pajama sets. So this is a Minnie Mouse pajama t-shirt and this is in the size 10 to 12. 6 to 8 and this is 10 to 12. It makes no sense, but it's the one that fitted me the best, so yeah. And this was £3.50. And then this came with some matching shorts, and in these I was a 10 to 12 as well, and these were £3.50 as well. So £7 for this pajama set. You just can't go wrong, and they feel so soft and so comfortable to wear. And yeah, I love Minnie Mouse, so yeah, I got that. I think this is then the last clothing item that I got. I didn't pick up much clothing, I picked up a lot of other things. But yeah, I got this like crop t-shirt. It says on it, hug me. And this is in a size 10 and this was £5. And I just really like this top. I like the style of it, I like the colour of it. I love stripy clothing and it's got like this ribbed material and it's got like this frilly bit on the bottom and the sleeves. So yeah, I just really liked it and I thought this would be lovely for the summertime and lovely for going on holidays. So yeah, I picked this one up and £5 is so affordable as well. So yeah, got that. So I then picked up these shoes here. These are a size 5. So I'm a size 5 in shoes and these were £4. I thought these were so pretty for like the summertime to wear on holiday as a pretty sandal, or if you're going to the beach, or if you're just going out for the day. I thought these were really cute and they are actually really comfortable to walk in. I did wear them around the shop for a little bit just to test them out, and yeah, they're really comfortable to walk in. I love the colour and I love the frilly bit on the top here, and for literally £4 you can't go wrong. And they came in other colours as well. I think they came in like a denim colour and a black. So yeah, I then picked up this. So you probably know I'm getting married this summer, so I picked up these for my hen party. So I got these for myself and I also got to pay for my mum for the hen party, and then I'll like tell the rest of my hen party if they want to pick them up, they can. But yeah, it says Team Bride and these were £5 in a size 5. So £5, can't go wrong. So for my hen party I am having like a spa day kind of thing, so for wearing these around the pool and just like to take pictures. Team Bride, got these for me and my mum. So yeah, and for £5 I just thought it was really fun and yeah, just really cool, so I picked these up. I then picked up a towel. Now my fiance Matt, it's very hard. I'll just show you the cutaway shot for this. So my fiance Matt is into his Welsh flags and Welsh towels, and he has a Welsh flag towel that is really worn out. He's had it for years and years and years, and it literally needs to go in the bin. So I saw this and I thought, yeah, I'm gonna pick this up for Matt to get him a new one. He really needs a new one. And that was £7, so I thought I'd just pick that up for him. Right, the rest are just like random bits and bobs and makeup things. So I picked up 2 packs of these. These are their round cosmetic pads. These are literally 50 pence. So I picked up 2 for £1. I'd recommend getting these from Primark, and they're only 50p, so I got 2 of those. I also picked up 2 of their candles. I absolutely love Primark candles. I think they're one of the best candles that I use. They just seem to last forever. And they smell amazing. Like literally you walk into the house or you walk into the room and all you can smell is these candles. Like I can smell it now, it's so intense. They're like Yankee candles, they're so intense. So if you are looking for a dupe for a Yankee candle, try Primark. So I picked up 2 because I love this smell so much. This is the Madagascar vanilla smell. I picked up 2 and these are literally £2. And you spend like £10 on a Yankee candle one, so... I also picked up these. These are like hair sectioning tools. So they're called beak slides. So you know when you section hair off and you just clip it in, they're those kind of like slider things. And these were £1.50, and I think you get 4 in here. Yeah, 4. You get 5. I couldn't count. You get 5 in here. So that's really good for £1.50. So I got those. I also picked up some of these like scrunchy, I don't know what you'd call these, spiral things. And this is a pack of 12, so I picked up 12 of these spiral hair ties things, and this was £1. So, and I got obviously the darker ones to match my hair, but they did come in like clear and blonde. So yes, I got these for £1. I then picked up this little makeup cosmetics bag. So it's got like all different types of makeup on it, mascara, lipstick, all sorts of makeup on it, and I thought this would be perfect for like traveling or if you're going away for the weekend. I thought this would be really good, and this was £4, so affordable. You literally can't go wrong, and it's got a zip top. So yeah, I got this. Right, moving on to makeup. So I picked up this PS Nudes matte eyeshadow palette. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, some really nude shades here. So they're all matte apart from this shade here, which is a shimmer. So yeah, you can just create a really natural eye look with this. But I am going to be uploading soon and filming a Primark makeup tutorial. So I'm going to use like all this stuff and do a one brand makeup tutorial. So that will be coming soon. I haven't filmed it yet. But it will be coming soon on my channel, so keep an eye out for that. Oh, and this was £4, so really affordable. I also picked up the PS Bride Tribe Bridal Face Palette. So this isn't just an eyeshadow palette, it's also like a face palette. So you've got like a blush shade, you've got a contour, bronzer, and then you've got a highlight, and I think that all of those then are eyeshadows. And this was also £4, so really affordable. And this would also be perfect for like traveling because it's got a bit of everything in one. Okay, so I picked up this contour powder kit. So there's a contour, a bronzer, and a highlight in here. So let's have a look. Okay, and it comes with a little mirror as well on top, so that's really cute. Not a bad mirror as well. So you've got the contour shade, the bronzer shade, and the highlight shade. I wouldn't particularly say that's a highlight, but it'll do. And this was £8, so slightly more expensive than the other things. But yeah, I hope this is good. I'll have to try this out and let you know. So I picked up the PS My Perfect Colour Perfect Finish foundation, medium coverage, semi-matte finish, and it's also got vitamin E in it. I picked up the shade Porcelain. I have no idea if this is going to match me. It might be too light, it might be too dark, who knows. But yeah, this was £2.50, so I don't think I've ever seen a foundation before for £2.50, so we'll see if this is any good. I'll have to try it out, but yeah, I got that. I also got this concealer stick. I'm not that much of a fan of concealer sticks, but this was 90p, so I thought I'd try it out. But yeah, this is in the shade Porcelain, and this is the My Perfect Colour concealer stick, full coverage, natural finish. So yes, we'll see how this goes for 90p, but I don't know. We'll have to see. I also got a setting powder. So this is the My Perfect Colour Mineral Powder, medium coverage, oil free, and this is also in the shade Porcelain. And this was £2. So a nice setting powder for £2, hopefully. I also got a blush. This is the PS Blush High Pigment Blusher, and this is in the shade Adored, and this is £1.50. So I am so excited to try this. This colour is literally right up my street. I'm so excited. I then got this eyeliner. So this is the Golden Rose Smoky Effect eye pencil in the shade Dark Brown, and it says it's extra soft, long lasting, kohl and contour. So it's got like an eyeliner this side, pencil liner, and then this side you've got like a little smudger sponge. It's like a little smudger sponge thing to obviously smudge out your eyeliner, so I'll have to try that out. Then I got this Lash Contour Mascara. So this is the PS Lash Contour 3D Curl Lengthening Mega Volume Mascara. So I've heard a few people say good things about this mascara, so yeah, I'll have to try that out. This was £2. Oh, did I say how much the eyeliner was? The eyeliner was £3.50 and the mascara is £2. So there we go. And then finally I picked up 2 lip things. So this is the PS Nudes Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Skinny Dip, and this was £2. And then I also picked up the PS My Perfect Nude Nourishing Lip Gloss Intense Colour with Shea Butter and Vitamin E, and this is in the shade Caramel Kiss, and this is also £2. So yes, I'll have to try them out. So yeah, I think that's everything. That completes my Primark haul. I guess it wasn't too big, but it wasn't too small either. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, so you can see all my other videos. And leave a comment down below if you've been to Primark recently. What have you noticed that you've really loved? Have you picked up anything I've got today? So leave me that comment down below. And also don't forget to keep an eye out for that Primark makeup tutorial that's coming soon on my channel. Keep an eye out for that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!